Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
The cat, Kitten, is going to school. He heard his friends' voices and stopped. His friends bullied him because he didn't own a bicycle. The poor cat started to cry.
Why are you crying, my son?
I want a bike. My friends are laughing at me.
This is my bike from when I was little. My dad bought it for me. I'll fix it for you. Finished fixing up the bike. Do you want to ride it?
It's wonderful, Dad. I love you so much. Look, he bought a cool bike.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.